Hello, hello, hello. Sandra Lennington from Coach Academy. This is going to be a quick video. I just want to share a service that I use that is so easy to use and so wonderful. It's called pdf.live. That's pdf.live. And it is a free service to do. I use it all the time actually for PDF to docs if I want to take a PDF, but it also allows you to do PDF to Excel, PDF to PowerPoint, PowerPoints to PDF, JPEGs to PDF, and Excel to PDF, as well as obviously doc to PDF. You can just do straight out of Word if you're in Word or if you're using OpenOffice. But what I love about this, it is so easy. You just decide if this is the one I use most often. So you can either drop the file here or just click to upload a file. If you have a PDF file that you want in a Word because you want to be able to work on it, and add things, etc. It makes it super easy if it's in Word rather than PDF. So let's just pick any old PDF along here. This one's, and just click on it. It opens up, then it converts. And then you just click on it to download. Obviously, you need to sign in first, which I did not do. But yeah, so it's as easy as that, and it'll just download to your computer in whichever folder, wherever you've got your download. Most people have a download section. Mine goes straight to the desktop, and then you're good to go. And it's so easy to use and free, which I absolutely love. So I hope that's useful for you, and have a good day.